What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Weekly Review, home of the Wolf Pack. Oh man, I have traded half of my Bitcoin position into ETH. I'm super bullish on ETH, and Hex is looking great. I see an Adam and Eve cup and handle. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into the charts.
You big all sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stock going up like 2x. That's a fast flip like suplex. Two really stepping like a duplex. You bet never lose change, but I do flex on it.
Bitcoin on the daily chart. Remember in the last video, we were expecting a little bit of a dip and pullback. We got it, and we got right into our buy zone in between these two moving averages and got that bounce. All right, a little bit of a weak bounce, low liquidity. It's the weekend, but it does look pretty healthy in my opinion. And 48K, all right? So 48K is a very critical resistance on the VPVR. If we look at the VPVR right here, this represents how much BTC was actually traded in this area, in this horizontal area, and we are at some stiff resistance. Once we can get above 48K, there really isn't that much resistance up ahead, especially to 55K. I mean, this area right here, it could really rocket through. The other thing is we have a baby golden cross brewing right here. You see the 21 exponential moving average, it's about to cross the golden right here, the 200 exponential moving average. When that happens, it signals a uptrend. Also, weekly chart, we have been in a weekly downtrend for 15 weeks. You can see how many times it confirmed this line. We popped up on the 15th week, but what more importantly, look at what happened when we got our dump. We had a confirmation on the 21 exponential moving average. It jumped off of this, took out the previous candle. Guys, this is technically a weekly uptrend. It's the very early beginnings of it. Not financial advice. These are just lines, really. They're just lines. The 19th million Bitcoin has been mined and minted. That means it took 13 years to mine 19 million Bitcoins, and it's going to take 120 years to mine the final 2 million Bitcoin. That is scarcity at its finest right there. And as you know, supply and demand, when there's no supply, the price has no choice but to go up. But the 4-hour chart is not looking as hot with this BART pattern right here and also 2 lower highs. It looks to me like we're going to have to get all of our boosters and get the microplastics up in our blood before we can hit all-time highs once again. Remember when they made us quit our jobs if we didn't have our vaccine shots?
But she's had the flu for 14 days. Should she get a flu shot?
Well, no. If she got the flu for 14 days, she's as protected as anybody can be, because the best vaccination is to get infected yourself.
And she should not get it?
If she really has the flu, she definitely doesn't need a flu vaccine. If she really has the flu,
she should not get it again.
No, she doesn't need it, because it's the most potent vaccination is getting infected yourself.
That's right. It was all a lie and a money printing scam, and it's going to continue. I think we're going to go from manufactured crisis to manufactured crisis. Where the hell is COVID-19 now? Oh yeah, we don't need it because we have the Ukraine crisis. I think this is going to persist. I think the inflation is going to persist. I think the money printing is going to persist until the fiat system runs straight into the ground. I would hate to not own any crypto in this coming future. Bitcoin versus Ethereum chart. We have already had the golden cross. It is looking bullish against Bitcoin, and I'm moving half of my Bitcoin position into Ethereum. I am still going to have a hodl position in Bitcoin, but I think there's more upside potential in Ethereum. I think Ethereum could hit $10,000 in the near future, and Bitcoin about $80,000. Also, there is a big update. The merge is coming to Ethereum, and that will result in a 90% decrease in the token supply issuance for about 6 to 8 months. There will be a little bit of a supply shock in Ethereum, and all of this hype around ETH 2.0. I am really bullish Ethereum over Bitcoin right now. ETH on the daily chart is already having a golden cross right now. I know Bitcoin looks weak, but I think Ethereum is leading the market right now. And when these other 2 moving averages, which are curled up, cross this yellow line, the 200, that will be a full golden cross, which is symbolizing a long-term uptrend. Okay, I'm just more bullish on ETH because you're going to be able to earn yield in the days of inflation. It's better than Bitcoin, and with ETH 2.0 coming online, I think that Ethereum could actually flip Bitcoin.
It hasn't yet, but we'll see.
Hex on the daily chart. Richard Hart is a scammer. Oh, wow. Keep Richard Hart's name out your fucking mouth.
I'm going to, okay?
Richard Hart has been banned off YouTube once again. I'm not sure if he's going to come back this time. I think it's 3 strikes and you're out. Right now, Hex price action is looking good, holding the 89 on the daily chart. I really think that we are looking and primed for a pump right here above 16.5 cents. All right, so right now is not the time to sell Hex. PulseChain is very, very, very close. And let's take a look at the VPVR here. I think the major resistance is actually at 18 cents. You can see this volume node right here. A lot has been traded. I think by the time we get to 18 cents, we will be testing the 200 exponential moving average on the daily chart. That is going to be a tough area of resistance. But after that, you know, if we look at the VPVR to the all-time high, I mean, the higher we go, the less resistance there is going to be. You know, the OGs might come in and sell on your head, but I think there'll be enough FOMO and craziness to drive up the market. Now, I could see maybe a flush down to about 14.3 cents to retest this 21 exponential moving average, but I think the train's going to leave the station before then. Right now is not the time to sell Hex. Also, one cool thing, have you seen the new Hex race car Lamborghini? Also, what's more sexy than that is this Adam and Eve cup and handle, and it is 2/3. I mean, this is what a cup and handle looks like. Here's the Adam and Eve. This is a bullish formation. I mean, I think it's gonna go up. I think Hex is about to go up. Hey, let's take a look at MRI. Man, I see a lot of hypes and shills on Twitter for MRI. A lot of people saying they're buying 44 ETH worth, but it is dumping. I don't know. I don't like the look of it. Heel is rolling over, you know. Any Sniper was a good one. Any Sniper was a good one. And look at Cult Dow. Dear God in heaven. Oh my God. I can't buy this. I want this bad. I want it really bad, but I can't buy that. It's probably going to continue to go up. You know, it's the SHIB team. It's probably going to continue to go up. I should have aped. I wanted it to cool down, you know, but I should have aped on that one. Whoops. There's a lot of ways to make money in bed, and one of them is not sleeping until now. Hey, listen, this is not a paid ad. I have no idea who this team is, but these are sleeping NFTs. You'll be able to monetize your REM sleep with these NFTs. Now, how do we profit? They take small taxes from in-app activities such as NFT trading, pillow minting, and pillow rental. All assets in Sleepin app are owned and operated by individual users, and majority of earnings in-app are made by users. They also have some like carbon credit thing where it's good for the environment. So with a little bit of gamification, the sleep to earn as the core mechanism, Sleepin can nudge millions to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Zero barrier to entry. Sleepin does not require people to own NFT assets to sleep to earn. Instead, they can rent them for free from other users to get started. All right, and there's more to that. So let's take a look how it works. All right, there's unlimited supply of the GST governance token, which is coming soon. The total supply is 6 billion of Sleepin token. All right, it's an in-app marketplace. You buy, you sleep to earn. Now, if you rent the pillow, you buy the NFT pillow and you sleep to earn. All right, and if you rent it, 30% goes to the renter and 70% to the owner. So while you're sleeping on your pillow, you can rent out your pillow and earn money off somebody else that's sleeping. Okay, so you got any sleepy friends out there? Hit them up. In-app WAP or in-app wallet and swap. There's also token burning, of course. Level up pillows, pillow minting, upgraded gems. The token distribution is 30% to sleep and earn. Ecosystem gets 30%. Private sale. All right, so they do have a private sale, so be careful of that. The team gets 14%. The roadmap, it looks like they are on their way. Right here, August, a multi-chain upgrade. We got August was a mock-up design, team building. They got all this done apparently. An open beta. Now, I did not see the Sleepin token trading somewhere. So if you guys seen it, please comment in the comment box below. But yeah, I mean, This could work, dude. Like, I like this. I definitely want to learn more about this. Please do your own research. It does not look like it's done. It does not look like it's trading, but it's slepn.com. Sleep and get your NFTs and get your ass to sleep. One thing I will say though, now is not the time to sell Hex, and I really wouldn't be selling anything right now. I do think that we are turning around tentatively. Of course, anything can happen, but remember, it's the hodlers that win in this game. That's why I have a hodling position and a trading position. I've done really well doing both. I'm going to go into ETH a little bit more. I want to see how the markets open on Monday, but now is definitely the time to hodl. I mean, just look at how the world is falling apart. You definitely need to own crypto. Now's not the time to sell, especially Hex. And when PulseChain comes out, I definitely want to hodl that as well. It's going to take time to make the big profits. Don't get out too early and then cry as everybody else gets rich, okay? Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.